Welcome back to Awaken Pathways. Today, we're counting down the top 5 free AI tools you can use in 2024. Whether you're into image recognition, natural language processing, or just want to experiment with AI, there's something for everyone. Let's dive in and find the best AI tool for your needs. First up is TensorFlow, an open-source machine learning framework developed by Google. It's incredibly powerful, especially for building deep learning models. TensorFlow is widely used for image recognition and natural language processing tasks. While it offers great flexibility, beginners might find its learning curve a bit steep. But once you get the hang of it, it's an amazing tool. Coming in at number 2, we have PyTorch. Developed by Facebook, PyTorch has quickly gained popularity for its intuitive interface and dynamic computation graph. It's great for research and experimentation, making it a favorite among AI researchers. If you're just starting out, PyTorch might feel easier to pick up compared to TensorFlow. At number 3, we have Google Colab. It's essentially a free cloud-based Jupyter notebook environment, which means you can run your AI models without needing a powerful computer. Colab offers free access to GPUs and TPUs, making it a go-to tool for anyone looking to experiment with machine learning. The only downside is that you need an internet connection to use it. Fourth on our list is OpenAI GPT, which powers tools like ChatGPT. It's one of the most advanced language models, perfect for natural language processing tasks like text generation, translation, and sentiment analysis. While GPT models can be used for free, accessing more advanced features through the API may come with some costs. Finally, we have Hugging Face. This platform has made huge strides in democratizing AI by offering pre-trained models for tasks like sentiment analysis, translation, and even image classification. If you want to get started with AI but don't want to build models from scratch, Hugging Face is perfect for you. So, there you have it, the top 5 free AI tools you can use in 2024. Each of these tools offers something unique, whether you're into research, building practical AI applications, or just experimenting. TensorFlow and PyTorch are great for deep learning, while tools like Hugging Face and OpenAI GPT make NLP a breeze. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments.